Hi everybody, and Abby Bear says hello, and here we have our newest addition to the techno-viking family. And here is the cylinder waste tank we have. The customer wanted the 4 at the door instead of 2.5, so did that for them. You can see all the really nice welding we do here. I don't think anywhere this can be matched in our industry. Sorry folks, I cannot show the inside of the waste tank because that's pretty proprietary. And then we're going to be using one of my custom Ys for the 4 to the door. With this machine I recommend about 30 feet total, 15 each, or 10, to the tank, and then running your 2-inch or your 2.5-inch, whatever you wish. This is for the flood switch, for the auto pump out. There's the one, my flapper valve for the auto pump out. To access the tank is very simple. You just use a lid which has an O-ring, so you never have to worry about tank seals anymore wearing out or anything like that. Here we have right fresh from Joe Brister. Just going to fit right on like that, and then those will screw on just like that on the top and the bottom for the tank. Quick Joe's cool cuffs. Did a little error here, so I had nothing structural or anything, but I had to patch something. Got something too close to something, and I realized it after it was welded, and I said, oh, I got to move that. So that happens, but it's of no consequence. But as you can see, the welding is just absolute superb. The beads, no leaks are going to come out of this tank, and it's very, very solid. And I don't think you're going to find an actual stronger waste tank in the industry than a cylinder style waste tank. But here we go. And thank you so much. And the user of this machine will be very happy with it and the way it's come out. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.